To import a supplier catalogue, hover over Utilities and click Import. Click Catalogue. Here, a list of suppliers with Simpro formatted catalogues are displayed. To import a supplier-specific price file, click the required supplier. Or, to import a generic price file, click Generic. Select the required supplier manually when importing a generic price file. When updating an existing catalogue, select Update Trade Prices if the trade prices in the file differ to those in Simpro. If importing a generic file, select Header Record if the fields in the list have titles, or select Data Record if the first line of the list is data. If there are multiple suppliers for the items being imported, and there is a predominant supplier often purchased from, select Set as Default Supplier. Select Update Only to exclusively update items that already exist in the Simpro catalogue. Select Update and Create New Part to update existing items, and add any items that are in the CSV file and do not exist in Simpro. Select Complete when setting up the catalogue for the first time, or you want the items to be imported regardless of whether they exist in Simpro. Click Browse and locate the file. Once the file has uploaded successfully, verify the name and size of the file, and click Next. When importing a generic price file, the fields from the import file are mapped to the corresponding Simpro fields. The column headings from the import appear in brackets. Select from the drop-down lists to match the fields in the file with the fields in Simpro. To exclude information from an import, select Ignore for the relevant column. Then click Import to upload the catalogue items. Once the import has completed, view the Import Summary page. The Import Catalogue Summary shows the number of line items loaded, catalogue items created, and catalogue items updated. To confirm whether the catalogue has imported correctly, hover over Materials and click Catalogue. View all the items imported from the catalogue organized into groups and subgroups.